Hi everyone! Today I'm bringing you for a walk in Tengah Beach, and as you can see we have a little friend with us running around. He's actually really friendly, little puppy. Today, when I saw the cloud, I knew the sunset will be amazing, but I didn't know what to expect. And it was actually way better in the end than what I could have imagined. As you can see here in the background, already the sky is bright yellow and it's like fire. Langkawi is really famous for a lot of different types of sunsets. I personally really like when you have a lot of clouds like this because it makes it really dramatic, and the color afterwards in the sky, in the background, it's really just amazing. So come with me and enjoy the walk. So amazing, love it. So you can still, wow, this is so beautiful. Tengah Beach is my favorite compared to Cenang for a lot of reasons. First of all, it's really more quiet in general, even when the tourists were there. But also, the view is quite impressive. So here in the background, you can see some of the islands, like Rebak Island. And also, right now, it's low tide. So during low tide, you can see a lot of amazing things. You can see a lot of things on the floor. And one of them, like here, is those little trails all over the place. And they're actually made by snail. So if you look closely, you can actually find the snail at one end of this trail. They're really small snails on the sand, but they make beautiful art. Like this one, it's really amazing to see. Here we are walking in front of the Frangipani Resort, which is a beautiful resort in the island that actually is amazing for the environment. They do a lot of beautiful things. They have their own garden, they have a lot of animals, they do recycling, composting. They have more than 250 green practices, which is quite amazing for a hotel. And as you can see in the background, this sunset is already amazing. It's not even the end yet. And I'm really impressed by all those colors at the back. It's bright yellow. It's like a fire, and it really contrasts well with the blue sky, which is really amazing. What do you want? It seems like someone wants to play with me, but I don't really have time to play with him. He's a really friendly puppy on the beach and he's really, really cute. But today I cannot play with him too much because I'm here for this beautiful walk. But he's still following me and playing with me along. We are arriving at the end of Tengah Beach, and I would like you to take a few seconds to enjoy this amazing sunset. So I stayed there for a while, and I created a small time lapse to accelerate a bit the time, because I was actually watching it for 30 minutes. It was just beautiful and I couldn't leave. I couldn't stop watching it, and it's just to tell you how amazing it was. This feeling of fire in the sky and the dramatic feeling with a bit of rain in the background. Just an amazing sighting, so just enjoy. Due to the lockdown, it's almost time for me to go back, so I have to start walking back towards the end of the beach. And in the background you can see there is a family of dogs with their mom and few puppies also there. So all those dogs are wild dogs, and they just wait for people to maybe give them food, because that's what people used to do before. But remember, feeding animals, it's never good. Why? Because if you feed them, they become dependent on you, and then they don't look for food themselves. But also, by coming towards people, it can create problems, like people getting bitten, or people who are scared and start to throw things at them and make them even more scared and aggressive. So when you go for a walk outside, remember, just watch all the animals around you. But don't touch them, don't feed them, and leave them alone. They have enough food outside, and if you really want to help, the best way to help wild dogs or cats is to have them neutered. So remember, if you want to help, bring them to the vet, have them neutered so they stop reproducing. Because the more baby they have, the more problem it will create. I hope you enjoy this beautiful sunset with me, with all the amazing color in the sky. And who knows, maybe when the lockdown is finished, you can come visit the beautiful Langkawi Island and all its amazing nature. Thank you from A Walk in Nature, and see you again.